Selfish, gent, the poor, children, had, now we are, to play, they, trad, to play, on the road, but the road was very dusty and full of hard stones, and they did not like it. They used to wander round the high walls, behind here lessons were over, and talk about the beautiful garden inside. How happy we were here. They said to each other. Then the spring came, and all over the country here were little blossoms and little birds only in the garden of the selfish gent. It was still winter. The birds did not care to sing in it as there were no children, and the trees forget to blossom once a beautiful flower put its head out from the grace. But when it saw the notice board, it was so sorry for the children that it slipped back into the ground and went up to sleep. The only people who were pleased were the snow and the frost. Spring has forgotten this garden. They cried, so we will live here all the year round. The snow covered up the grass with her great white cloak, and the frost painted on a visit. So the hare came every day for 3 hours. He rested on the roof of the castle till he broke most of the plates, and then he ran round and round the garden as fast as he could go. He was dressed in grey, and his breath was like ice. I cannot understand why the spring is so late in coming. Said the selfish giant as he sat at the window and looked out at his old white garden. I hope there will be a change in the weather, but the spring never came, nor the summer. The autumn gave golden fruit to every garden. But to the giant's garden she gave none. He is too selfish. She said, so it was always winter here, and the north wind and the hail and the frost and the snow danced about the trees. One morning the giant was lying awake in bed, and he heard some lovely music. It sounded so sweet to his ears that he thought it must be the king's magician passing by. It was really only a little midnight singing outside his window. But it was so long since he had heard a bird singing in his garden, that it seemed to him to be the most beautiful music in the world. And the great stupid dancing over his head.